Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Tell me please, what's your name?
Tina.
Tina. Can you spell your name?
T-I-N-A.
Good. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
And which class are you in?
I'm in class 3.
Okay. How many people are in your family?
4 people in my family.
Who are they?
My mother, my brother, and me.
Okay. What color do you like?
I like pink.
What animal do you like? What animal do you like?
I dog.
You like dog. Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
And how are you today?
I'm happy.
You are happy. Okay. Please tell me, what can you see here?
Look at the picture. My 4 people in the picture.
Yeah.
There are 5 feet.
Yeah.
There are 3 birds. E.
Okay, what color is the helicopter?
It's red.
Red. What is the man doing?
Man is flying ball.
Okay, what is the woman doing?
She is sitting on the ball.
Okay, and where is the frog? Where?
Frog on the mast.
Yeah, okay. Tell me, what is it?
Handbag.
Put the handbag under the boat. Under the boat. Yeah, under. Okay, what's this?
Armchair.
Armchair. Put the armchair on the helicopter. On here. Next.
Glasses.
Put the glasses next to the tree. Okay. What's this?
Sock.
No. Trousers. What color is it? What color?
Blue.
Blue. And?
Egg.
Egg. Okay. Next.
Cake.
Cake. Do you like cake?
It's big.
Do you like cake?
Yes.
Yes. And?
Snake.
Is snake long or short?
Long.
Long. Okay, thank you so much. It was good. Good. Give me 5. And goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yeah.
Have a nice day. See you.
Yeah, see you next time. Have a nice day. Yep.